In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect your Vantage account to Tradingview. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to tradingview.com. From here you will need to log into your account or sign up to your account if you already have one. From here it should be something like this. And here you'll need to go up to the products tab up here, click it once, and then from here you'll see this page right here. From here, you'll need to go down to the trading panel and go down to connect through a trusted brokers. From here, you'll need to go down to show all brokers down here in the bottom. And from here, you'll need to go up and search for Vantage, like so. And as you can see here, it is right here. If you want to add it into your favorites, you can add it to favorites down here by this star. But to connect it, you simply need to click on it and click connect. From here, a new page will pop up where you can see here that you will be able to log into your live accounts, where you'll need to enter your email address and password for your Vantage account. You can also click whether or not it should remember you, and by here you can click connect. Once you have clicked connect, it will go automatically over to TradingView again, and it will say that it has been connected successfully. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!